Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Y70. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing rapid battery drain on your Lenovo Y70, you're not alone. Over time, batteries can wear out, leading to decreased performance and shorter usage times. If this issue isn't addressed promptly, it may result in complete battery failure, leaving you without a functioning device when you need it most. To tackle this problem, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, a new battery compatible with the Lenovo Y70, and some tweezers for handling small components. First, ensure your device is powered off completely. Begin by removing the back cover. Gently insert the plastic prying tool into the seam along the edge and carefully work your way around to release the clips holding the cover in place. Once the back cover is removed, you'll have access to the internal components. The battery is typically located at the bottom section of the device. You should be able to see it clearly. To remove the old battery, carefully disconnect the cable that attaches it to the motherboard. Use your tweezers to gently lift the connector from its socket, taking care not to damage any surrounding components. Once the connector is free, you can lift the battery out. Make sure to note the orientation of the battery and connector for the new one. Now, take your new battery and position it in the same way as the old one. Connect the cable back to the motherboard, ensuring it's seated properly. Once connected, gently press the battery down into its compartment. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage nearby components. After securing the new battery, replace the back cover by aligning it with the device and pressing down until you hear the clips click into place. Before powering on the device, it's a good idea to check everything is in order. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent future battery issues, consider adjusting your device settings to optimize battery usage. Reducing screen brightness, closing background applications, and ensuring your software is up to date can all help prolong battery life. Regularly monitoring app usage can also highlight any power-hungry applications that may be draining your battery unnecessarily. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair, and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.